In this video, you will learn how to submit a Google assignment. Teachers can give you several different types of assignments. One of them, the teacher loads a Google document for you, and when you click on it, it creates a document just for you in your name, and I'm going to show you how to submit that now. So first you click on your class, you go down to the assignment. This one is Google Assignment 1. So when you open a Google assignment, it looks like this. You click on My Document, and your document will show up. If it doesn't immediately show up, you may need to log into your Google account. If this is the first time you're doing this, it may ask you to do that. So this Google assignment is here. This is for me to type my answer on. Everyone in my class will have an assignment that looks exactly like this one. You can access this assignment by going right here or by going into your Google account. If you go into your Google account, this assignment will also be there, so you don't always have to log into Google over and over again. So what you do is you complete your assignment. Once it's done, you type in everything that you're going to type in. I'll just type in some letters there. All right, so I'm all the way done with this assignment. I've done everything I need to do. It's this simple. Right here where you see Submit Assignment, you click that. You confirm, yes, I'm sure I want to submit it. And you wait. You confirm that it's done. It says successful. It's done. Now it's done. Now, something you can do here is you can unsubmit your assignment. If you go, oh, I forgot to do something, you can unsubmit it. But the teacher will know that you've unsubmitted it and you've resubmitted it. The typing will look different. So my suggestion is that if you've made an error, let your teacher know, and the teacher can unsubmit it. It does it a little bit differently, but you can, and this is where you would do that.